Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are diving deep into one of the most powerful tools that in SFMC, that is Journey Builder. If you have ever wanted to create personalized, automated and data driven customer journeys, then this is the video you cannot escape. So we will explore what Journey Builder is, how it works, its key features and a real time example that makes it super easy to understand. So first, what is Journey Builder? So Journey Builder is a drag and drop automation tool inside Marketing Cloud that allows marketers to create personalized customer journey across multiple channels like email, SMS push notification, and ads. Think of it as a smart marketing brain that automatically guides customers through the right communication path based on their behavior, preference, or data. For example, if a student registers on a college website, Journey Builder can send them a welcome email, a follow-up after 2 days, and personalized scholarship offer after a week automatically. So there is some key components of the and features. So let's talk about what makes Journey Builder so powerful. That is, first one is entry sources. So this decide how people enter your journeys. It could be a data extension, API event, cloud-based form, or even interaction studio trigger. Second one is activities, the building blocks of your journeys. You can add here email activities to send a personalized message, SMS or push notification via mobile studio, wait activities to control timing, decisions based to branch path based on data or behaviors, update context to modify profile data, and goal and exit criteria to define when customer's journey should end. So third one is behavioral triggers. These makes your journeys real time. If a student clicks an email but does not fill the form, so the journey can automatically send a reminder, SMS or push notification the next day. Fourth one is testing and validation. Before activation, you can test journeys to make sure every path, message and trigger works perfectly. Another steps is like a journey analytics. Once your journey is live, you can monitor performance like open rates, conversion, or any engagement directly inside analytics builder. So let's take a real time example. Imagine you are working for an online education platform. A student sign up for a digital marketing certification. Okay, so here is how Journey Builder can automate the entire process. First step, student fills out the registration form, entry event. Second, send a welcome email instantly, wait for 2 days, and send a course overview email. Another step is like if they open the email, send a discount coupon via SMS. If they don't open email, then send a reminder email after 3 days. Once enrolled, move them to an onboarding journey. If everything runs automatically, no manual action needed. So now here is here are a few things that learners often miss but should always remember. Always use contact entry criteria carefully to avoid duplicates entries. Use weight by duration wisely. Too many delays can reduce engagement. Keep journey simple and clean. Avoid unnecessary branches. Regularly check journey history and logs to identify issues. Always define goals so you know what success looks like. So at that is the power of Journey Builder in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It's not just automation; it's personalization at scale. So if you found this helpful, then follow for more videos and comment below what type of journeys do you want to create next. Thank you.